Good Monday morning, everyone. Today is December 2nd, 2019, and here is today's Monday Morning Minute. I know I always say that these will be brief, but this one will be especially concise. We only really have a couple of things to talk about for the rest of the semester. And so the first is the final project video conferences happening this week. And the second is our classroom management plan, which is due next Tuesday, December 10th by 11:59 p.m. So, this week, I have requested to meet with you through a video conference call just for about 15 minutes. And the purpose of this is twofold. First of all, I think it's really important to check in with each of you and to connect voice to voice and face to face at least once over the course of this semester. I know sometimes with online education, it can kind of feel as though you're sending things out into the void and it's dubious whether there are real people on the other end that are receiving it. So this just lets us make that connection face to face in a brief, hopefully kind of low stakes way. And secondly, I would love to see if there are any issues that you're having with regard to the final project, the classroom management plan. Are there specific questions that you have? Are there issues? I noted on the classroom management plan description that we can totally modify this assignment if you are not in a classroom and don't intend to enter a classroom, a physical classroom. So that can be a topic of discussion for us as well. And in order for us to have this video conference, I'm going to use an application called Zoom. It's far superior, in my humble opinion, to Skype or to Google Hangouts. And it's pretty user-friendly as well. So I'm going to include a link that you'll use when it's time for our meeting. You'll just click on that link. And if you've tried at least once prior and have gone through the downloading process that takes just a couple minutes, then that link is all you need. It can take you right to our meeting room and voila. So again, if you have any issues, please let me know. If you prefer just to call, that's fine too. Just let me know what your number is and I'll give you a call at our stated time. And the way to sign up for one of these conferences is through our Google Doc. So from our Blackboard course, you can go to the Learning Modules tab and then scroll down to week 15. And you'll come to a form that looks like this. So we've already got a couple people signed up. If you need to make changes, please just shoot me an email to let me know that you've made the change so I can make sure to call you at your desired time. Okay, moving on. So next week, this is our final assignment. It's intended to be a culmination of all of the different things that we've talked about this semester, all of the different considerations that we've learned are part of classroom management. And thank you all so much, by the way, for your video reflections. Those were really lovely to delve into. You are welcomed and encouraged to view each other's videos too and leave feedback if you'd like. That's not a formal part of the assignment, but just something collegial and something that helps kind of build our community virtually. So next week, the classroom management plan, again, due Tuesday, December 10th by 11:59 p.m. All the information that you need can be found within our course. Go to the assignments tab on the left, go to the classroom management plan folder. There you will find the description, which we've talked about a couple weeks ago. You'll also find a rubric that I hope is pretty straightforward and just kind of helps you know what I'm looking for with this classroom management plan. You'll also find the link on Blackboard where you will submit your classroom management plan on or before this date here. And that is actually it. That's all that I have for you. Thank you for listening. Thank you for being such wonderful participants and colleagues in this process. And I'm excited to connect with each of you sometime this week. Cheers.